Hello guys, welcome to Switch Communication GH. In this video I'll be unboxing the Vodafone R219Z 4G MiFi. MiFi is universal and can accept all networks. It has a download speed of 150 Mbps and an upload speed of 50 Mbps. It's also manufactured by ZTE. Inside the box we have the MiFi and we have the USB cable for charging. This MiFi uses a USB-A charging port. Over here you can see the charging port. By the side we have the SIM card port, the WPS button and the power button. This MiFi uses an internal battery. At the back of the Wi-Fi you can see the SSID, that's the Wi-Fi name, and the Wi-Fi key, that's the Wi-Fi password. Let's insert our SIM into the MiFi. By the side of the MiFi we have the SIM card port. This MiFi uses a micro SIM. Inside the SIM card port you can see the reset button. It's over here. We'll be using a Vodafone SIM to test this device. This is a nano SIM, so we add an extra cover for it to be a micro SIM. This is the way to insert the SIM into your device. The silver panel should be facing the front of the MiFi. Then you slide it in and press it till you hear a click. Let's turn on the device. By the side you have the power button. You hold this for 2 seconds for it to turn on. On the MiFi we have 4 LED indicators: the network signal, the message signal, the Wi-Fi signal and the battery signal. The battery signal is blinking red, that means the battery is slow. Let's connect it to our laptop to charge. We'll be using a HP Envy to test this device. So at the back we have the Wi-Fi key, so let's write it down on our notepad before we continue. This is the Wi-Fi key. 62T. 62 small t. Capital JG. 99 769. So we're using a USB port by the side of the laptop to charge the device. The MiFi is blinking green, that means it's charging. So now we'll copy and paste our password. We click on the Wi-Fi signal. Over here you can see our device name, Vodafone Mobile Wi-Fi. So we click on connect. So now we paste the password we just copied. So right now we are connected without internet access. That means we need to set the APN on this device before it starts working. So in this video I will show you guys how to set up your APN. First, you need to open your browser. You can use any browser, Mozilla, or we'll be using Mozilla to set it up. So you enter the Wi-Fi's IP address. That's 192.168.0.1. The Vodafone interface has opened. So over here the password is admin, ADMIN. Click on login. You click on agree. You click on skip. Then you go to settings at the top right corner. You go to network settings, APN settings. You click on OK. When you're done with the APN settings, then you have access to the internet. So click on manual, admin. Profile name, you type internet, INTERNET. APN, you also type internet, INT. Then you click on apply and you quickly click on set as default. Apply, set as default. You click on it again. So that's all. Well, yeah, wait for it to connect. So it's connected. So now we have internet access. Let's test it. Wi-Fi. You can see it's connected and secure. It's no longer no internet access. So our internet access is working, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. For more exciting videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.